Hi, I'm Peggy Kay. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your Google Photos as a brand account so that managers of the brand account and its Google Plus page or YouTube channel can access and manage the images. If you have a Google Plus page or a YouTube channel that uses a name other than your Google account's name, you have a brand account. You can access your brand account settings from your Google account's brand account list. When you go to the brand account's details page, you'll see which Google services it has, including possibly Google Plus and YouTube, and also Google Photos. You can access Google Photos by clicking the Photos icon. But it's not that convenient to have to go to your brand account details to access Google Photos. Instead, you can sign into Google Photos directly on desktop and then switch to your brand account identity. Just click your profile photo at top right and select the brand account from the menu that appears. If you don't see your brand account listed there, click all your brand accounts. That will switch to your brand account identity. You can confirm that you're signed in as the right account by clicking your profile photo at top right. Once you have uploaded some images, you can then organize them in albums or create collages or animated GIFs. You can also use Google Photos to edit the images or to create a movie using one of the preset themes. The images and videos are then available to anyone who manages the brand account and its Google Plus page or YouTube channel. You can share images directly from Google Photos to Twitter, Facebook, or Google Plus. If you share to Google Plus, you will be sharing as the Google Plus page. When you create a new post on Google Plus as the Google Plus page, you can easily insert an image that's been uploaded to the page's brand account's Google Photos. You can also access any image uploaded to the brand account's Google Photos to add a profile photo or cover image to the Google Plus page. You can also access the images to add or change the cover art on the brand account's YouTube channel. Although this option is unfortunately not available when adding a custom thumbnail. Finally, be aware that Google Photos mobile apps don't support brand accounts. If you want to access your brand account's photos on your phone, you'll need to bookmark the Google Photos link on desktop and then open that on your phone's web browser. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more creator tips and tutorials.